Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the Floodlight in Subnautica below zero. So first of all, make sure to like and subscribe, and hit the bell for further notifications. So to get started, go ahead and travel to the Delta Station dock. Go up the platform, and here on the main platform, you can choose whichever you'd like, one of these Floodlights, and with the scanner in hand, you can go ahead and scan it. Now that you have the tech unlocked, you can go ahead and travel back to your base. Once you're back at the base, you can go ahead and pick out your habitat builder, go to exterior modules, and here you'll see the floodlight, on which you'll need glass and titanium. So you want to go ahead and exit the base, click on the floodlight, and you can construct it anywhere outside. This is pretty much all. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if this helped, and see you next time.